JVP not raised, no lymphadenopathy or edema. Pulse is 104 per minute, regular, normal volume, tension, no radial or radiofemoral delay. BP is 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury in right arm supine position. Height is 5 feet 5 inches and weight is 48 kg. Coming to gastrointestinal system examination, inspection, examination of upper GI system. No any abnormality detected, no oral thrust. Coming to abdomen, abdomen is distended, flanks are full, venous prominences are present, umbilicus is central, inverted. There is no ulcers, striae, scar, sinus or any pigmentation. Hernial sites are normal, visible. There is no visible pulsation, peristalsis or localized swelling. On palpation, surface temperature is normal. There is no rigidity, guarding or any tenderness. Abdominal guard at the level of umbilicus is 84 centimeters. Liver is palpable 1 centimeter in mid-clavicular line, non-tender, firm, margin is sharp, left lobe of the liver is not palpable. Spleen palpable 3 centimeter, non-tender, firm, there is no any other lung palpable. Testes are normal, on percussion, septic dullness is present. On auscultation, peristaltic sounds are heard. No other sounds are heard. For rectal examination, no abnormality detected. Respiratory system, upper respiratory tract is normal. On inspection of the chest, shape is normal. Movements are decreased on right side. Apical impulse is seen in left fifth intercostal space, 1 centimeter medial to mid clavicular line. Trachea is central. Respiratory rate is 28 per minute with normal rhythm and abdominothoracic. There are no venous prominences. Accessory muscles are not working. Skin is normal and no gynecomastia. On palpation, temperature is normal, no tenderness. Inspectory findings are confirmed. Movements are decreased on right side, inframammary and infrascapular. Trachea is central, apex bit palpable in fifth intercostal space, 1 centimeter medial to mid clavicular line. Vocal fragmentus is decreased in right infrascapular, inframammary and infraaxillary region. On percussion, stony dull note on right infrascapular, infraaxillary and inframammary region. Clavicular percussion is resonant bilaterally. Left side of the chest, resonant note is heard. On auscultation, left side of the chest, vesicular bright sounds are heard. There are no added sounds. On right side, air entry and vocal resonance are decreased on infrascapular, infraaxillary and inframammary region. Cardiovascular system, no any abnormality detected. Central nervous system, patient is conscious, oriented, pupils bilaterally equal reacting to light. Cranial nerves are normal, there is no neurodeficit, plantar bilaterally flexor, no neck rigidity. To summarize this case, Sri Dasarath Tanti, a 51-year male patient, TPM by occupation, residing at Tata, presented with chief complaints of cough since 3 months, fever since 2 months, swelling of abdomen since 1 month, loss of appetite since 1 month, and yellow discoloration of urine since 4 days. There is no history of vomiting, hematemesis, melanoma.